For these keto coconut flour sugar-free sugar cookies, you want to have 1/3 cup of coconut flour, and you're going to add that, of course, in a mixing bowl, followed by about 1/3 of softened butter. I use Kerrygold's because it's from grass-fed cows. Then I used 3 eggs, and I added that to the mix. You mix it all together, and I actually used wax paper underneath just so it's easier for cleanup. And then I used 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, followed by 3 tablespoons of stevia. As you can see here, I used the sweet leaf. So you want to use 3 tablespoons of that. It's a great alternative to regular sugar, and it does not raise your blood sugar. Mash it all together with a giant fork. Mix very, very well. So you want to also refrigerate that once you've mixed it. Refrigerate it for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to form that dough into a ball, and then you slice it into 16 pieces. Then you're going to roll up each of those 16 pieces into a ball in the palm of your hand, and then just flatten it with the other palm of your hand. Place on a parchment paper, not wax paper, parchment paper on a baking sheet, and bake for about 15 minutes until the edges are golden brown. And then you let it cool for at least 10 minutes, roughly, and it's ready to eat. It tastes absolutely delicious. One thing I forgot to mention, I did add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to that batter. Don't forget to do that. It tastes delicious. Next time, I'll think I'll add a little lemon.